Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Mi 9, Xiaomi's latest flagship smartphone. This is a global version. The smartphone comes with some powerful specification. It has a Snapdragon 855 processor, 48 megapixel camera with triple camera setup, 18-watt charger, Gorilla Glass 6 protection, and in-screen fingerprint sensor. The smartphone will cost in Dubai 1,650 AED. In US dollar is 450 US dollar, and in terms of Indian currency, it will cost approximately 31,000 Indian currency. So let's unbox the smartphone and find out more about it. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So as expected, you get USB Type-C cable, a 18-watt charger, but in some countries Xiaomi is giving 27-watt fast charger. But for some strange reason, it's not coming with the global version. A USB to headphone dongle, as the smartphone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. And as expected, a rubberized case for protection, which is always good, and always Xiaomi is giving the rubberized case with most of the smartphones. So let's unwrap the smartphone. Now this is the beautiful piano black color. The back is curved with a glossy finish. It has a triple camera setup with a neon ring, which looks quite unique. On the side it has power and volume rockers. At the bottom it has a USB Type-C port, main microphone and speaker. Left side it has a SIM tray for dual SIM card. It does not support micro SD card. On the top it has noise cancelling microphone. And a good thing is that it also has an IR blaster to control your TV or any other device. Now let's turn on the smartphone. It has a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with full HD Plus display. Also, you can click over here to see my unboxing of Mi 9 SE, which is a similar smartphone. I must praise Xiaomi for the build quality, and it feels premium in every way. Also, it's packing some really powerful specifications. Setup is complete now. Let's see what software is running out of the box. So it's running MIUI 10.2.2 with Feb 2019 security patch based on Android 9. You get 54 GB out of 64 GB storage. It has 6 GB of RAM, which is very good for multitasking. Now let's set up the fingerprint sensor and see how fast it is. It took me some time to register the fingerprint. It's a bit slow to register, but we can understand because it's a new technology. Now let's see how fast and accurate it is. Not bad. It's decent, not very fast, but certainly not slow. When the screen is off, there is a blue light indicator showing the scanner location, and it stays gray, showing where to press, which is quite handy. Now let's set up the face unlock and see how fast it is. So as expected, setting up the face unlock was quite fast. The face unlock is quite fast and accurate. Great work by Xiaomi, but it might struggle in the low light situation. Now let's talk about the camera, or should I say cameras. At the rear it has 48 megapixel main camera with f1.5 aperture, which is absolutely stunning for the low light situation. There is also a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is a standard nowadays in 2019. Also there is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens to give you the depth effect. It has dual LED flash. Unfortunately there is no optical image stabilization, but there is a electronic stabilization in 4K 60 frames per second. It can also record slow motion video at 960 frames per second. On the front it has 20 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The best thing I like about this camera is the wide angle mode, and this is a standard for most of the flagship devices in 2019. So let's see the wide angle mode. Now this is the regular mode. Let's switch to wide angle and see how much you can capture from a small distance. But it takes a few seconds to change the modes, which is a bit annoying. In 2019, most of the manufacturers are trying to give this option, which is really useful. Now let's check the sample images and videos. Now let's see the display quality of the smartphone. The display is really impressive. Hope Xiaomi has used Quad HD display, but still, because of the AMOLED panel, the Full HD Plus display looks stunning. The bezels are minimal. There is a small water drop notch, but it does not bother in day-to-day operation. Viewing angles are great and the colors are vibrant, being a AMOLED screen. Watching video in this device with huge screen is fun, and I'm sure playing games will be the same. Now let's check the sound quality of the smartphone.
Take this one.
It has single speaker, but they are loud. But to be honest, if you compare the sound quality of this device with iPhone XS or a Note 9 or a Pixel 3, it falls behind. Let's see the smartphone in direct sunlight. How does it look? The camera cutout is huge and it's popping out, which is a bit annoying. The ceramic finish gives it a luxury touch and the piano black color looks extremely premium. The outside screen visibility is okay. You can read most of the things in direct sunlight. So overall, for the price of $1,650 AD and $450, it's a great deal. The only thing missing is a water-resistant IP rating and a micro SD card for expandable storage. Xiaomi is trying to give its customer a decent flagship with excellent specification. And for this price, it's actually competing with OnePlus smartphones. But the speed of OnePlus devices are another level. But yes, this device has an excellent camera. The camera not only looks good on the paper, it's also rated 107 in DxO mark, which is quite awesome. I will give this device a huge thumbs up as it looks like a complete package, but wait for my full review coming soon for this device.
If you want to buy this device in Dubai, this is the shop you must buy. They are giving unbelievable price and nobody is giving at the moment. Also the stocks are limited, so you can contact them. Contact Mr. Tayeb Bajwa for the pricing. Also refer to Tech World, which is my channel. He might give you a better deal. So this shop is in Dera, but they will not deliver to India or Pakistan or any other country. Somebody has to come here to buy it.
तो दोस्तों पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाहता हूँ इस शॉप के जो मेन मैनेजर हैं और जो ओनर हैं मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं उनके डिटेल्स स्क्रीन पे भी हैं और मैं आपको ये सारी डिटेल्स नीचे भी दूंगा। अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का मी या Xiaomi का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हो, चाहे वो स्मार्टफोन हो चाहे वो पैड हो, तो मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा आपकी पूरी मदद करेंगे इसमें। मेरे व्यूअर्स को आप ये बताना चाहेंगे कि आपकी जो प्राइजेस हैं और बाकी जो प्राइजेस हैं जैसे, तो उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
इंशाल्लाह हमारी प्राइस जो है सबसे बेस्ट होती है और हम कस्टमर को अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं। कभी भी कस्टमर को ऑफ टाइम में भी चाहिए होता है तो हम उसके लिए सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं और देरा के अंदर हम डिलीवरी भी कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई अच्छा कस्टमर है, रेगुलर कस्टमर है, तो उसको हम सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
और आप ज़्यादातर वैसे होलसेल में डील करते हैं?
जी, ज़्यादातर हमारा होलसेल।
और अगर जैसे कोई किसी को 2 या 3 यूनिट अगर चाहिए हो तो क्या आप उसकी मदद कर सकते हैं इसमें?
जी जी बिल्कुल। जो 1 यूनिट और 2 यूनिट लेने वाले होते हैं हम उनको भी अच्छी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, लाइक अ होलसेलर डील करते हैं।
और यूजुअली आप डिलीवरी देरा मार्केट में ही करते हैं, मतलब
जी
दुबई में देरा के अलावा आप और कहीं नहीं करते हैं?
और करते हैं, वो कार्गो होती है, कार्गो के जरिए भेजते हैं।
लेकिन किसी दूसरी कंट्री में कोई मंगाना चाहे तो आप उसे सिर्फ यहाँ से किसी से पिकअप करवा सकते हैं?
जी जी, मेरा स्टॉक जाता है आउट ऑफ कंट्री में, अफ्रीका में जाता है, सऊदी अरेबिया में जाता है, ईरान में जाता है, वो सारी कार्गो के जरिए ही जाता है।
तो उसमें डेफिनेटली कुछ टैक्स या प्राइजेस डिफरेंस होते होंगे?
जी जी, वो जो रेगुलर प्राइस होती है वही होती है। वो बैंक में टीटी भेज देते हैं, हम लोग उनको माल भेज देते हैं कार्गो के जरिए।
तैयब सर,
जो बड़े होलसेलर का कस्टमर हैं वो फ्री जोन से बाय कर लेते हैं, फ्री जोन से टैक्स नहीं होता, उधर से सीधा ही उनको कार्गो कर देते हैं हम लोग।
तो दोस्तों ये हैं मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा, इनका जितना शुक्रिया अदा किया जाए उतना कम है और मैं इन पे पूरा भरोसा करता हूँ। अगर आपको कोई भी Xiaomi का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो आप बेहिचक होके इनका फ़ोन नंबर मिलाएं और आप इनसे ऑर्डर करें। तैयब सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके इंटरव्यू के लिए, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।
That's all for this video guys. If you like the video, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Soon I'll be releasing my unboxing of Mi Play, Xiaomi's new budget device. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos.
Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.